Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'd like to present to you about my experience throughout the industry training. So I am Farhan bin Shahjahan, meeting number 190650. I've been supervised by Dr. Chu Yu Chong, which is the head of department, the head of data science and customer value management, and the visiting supervisor is Dr. Rosie Norhaizan. So this is the company background that I've been through, where I go through my internship, which is Umobile. Mobile Sunan Rahat have been established in 2007. This is the key people in that are in mobile. First is Tan Sri Vincent Tan, which is the owner of Jaya, and Wong Hyo Tak, with the CEO of the Umobile. As we know, the Umobile is one of the uh, in the Berjaya groups. Next, we are in the Information Service Department in the 8th floor in the Berjaya Times Square in the IT Architecture and New Technology Department. So this is the senior management team that been led by our CEO, which is Wong Hyo Tak, and our department have been supervised by Neil Tompkinson, which is the CIO, Chief Information Officer. So this is how the organization been laid out. The our department, IS department, been supervised CIO, and under IS department we have a data science and customer value management team. So this is the product that been delivered by the company, which is mobile telecommunication services and e-wallet, which is GoPace. So this is some of the ongoing projects in the department, in our department, ISD, which is data constellation, which consists of data analysis and data management. So for our internship, we are focused on data analysis. So throughout my internship, I've been tasked to involve in chain prediction project, which is which is aimed to create a customer chain prediction algorithm. And the objective for me throughout this internship is to learn the process, the technique, and tools for machine learning, and to apply machine learning solution on real business problem, which is churn prediction. So this is what's churn prediction. Churn or attrition is when customer discontinue their subscription. How churn prediction is done by using a machine learning model to learn from the previous user data, their behavior, and the model will be trained to predict the existing customer whether they will churn or not. Next, when churn prediction need to be done, churn prediction need to be done throughout the year, as we need to monitor our customer all the time. So why churn prediction is important? First of all, every businesses need their customer to always use and pay for their product. Use and pay for their product. And loss of any customer, some much of less, is always bad for them. The cost for retaining an existing customer is far less than acquiring new one, as we know that to acquire a new customer, we need advertisement, promotion, and need to educate the user to how to use our product. So all of these steps need effort and also involve a lot of money in it. Next, based on the pattern of the churn customer, we can create a model that will predict the most likely the existing customer that will churn. Next, using the prediction, the company can perform a prevention measure where the company can give promotion or any sort of it to make sure they stay. And instead of really give all the customer promotion by using churn prediction analysis, we can be more specific on the customer and cost saving. So this is summary of the internship test that I've been tested throughout the throughout my internship program. So on the first month, I've been tasked to do research and study on the machine learning processes and libraries. So the machine processes which is the data collection, data cleaning, data pre-process, data modeling, data evaluate the model, and also the deployment of the model. So I've been studying how to do and which is the best practice for do it. And next, the library needed for the project, which is the mainly the Python library, which is Pandas, Seaborn, NumPy, Matplotlib, and etc. And also I've been tasked to follow tutorials available online. They're freely available on Udemy and YouTube. On my second month, I've been tasked to do a research on chain prediction. What is chain prediction? How to use it? And what the benefit of chain prediction? And how the big companies or how the existing company how they use the chain prediction for their company. Next, help to prove on concept for a username validation project. In my third month, I've been tasked to research on various type of machine learning model that will be used on the chain prediction, for example, random forest model, neural network model, and others. So on the fourth month, I've been tasked to implement chain prediction using multiple open source dataset and compare between the models. And on the fifth month, I've been tasked to apply the chain prediction not by using the manual way, but using an automated way by using auto ML that have been automated all the processing from data pre-processing, then data modeling, and also data evaluation. And I've been tasked to perform machine learning processes using also another automated tool, for example, feature agent tools. So on my final month, I've been tasked to share to the whole department about my finding on chain prediction, how to done it, how to use it in our company, and what the benefit that will be gained. And also be tasked to perform a proof of concept on the second project, which is a geolocation project. So this is what I've gained throughout the internship. First, the experience, which is we have a routine stand-up meeting with our supervisor, which is the best way to catch up progress among our teammates. And next, to create a machine learning solution from nothing until the end. Uh, Next, sharing knowledge between colleagues and how to work in a team. So the skill that I have learned throughout the internship, which is mainly the Python language that relates to machine learning, and the processes of the machine learning, which consists of data collection, data cleaning, data preprocessing, data modeling, model evaluation, and deployment. And the skills that I have learned, which is to understand the objective of each machine learning model and how to use it correctly. The knowledge I gained throughout the internship is first, this is knowledge that has been shared by our supervisor, is Dr. Chu Yo Chong, and how to transform business problem to analytical problem so we can solve it using a technical solution, and how to perform research as a data scientist, and how to work and think as a data scientist. So this is the significance of contribution of me throughout the internship. First is to create and deploying a churn prediction model that used to predict the probability of a user to churn or not, and also to predict when they will churn. Next is help in the proof of concept for some of the future project in our department, which is proof of concept for username validation project and proof of concept for geolocation project. So this is the benefits that I gained throughout the internship, which is first, is able to experience how a data scientist working in a real life situation, work and learn from one of the best data scientists in Malaysia. I need to inform you guys that Dr. Chu Yu Chung is one of the best data scientists we have here in Malaysia. He also get a he have many experience throughout his work life. Next is able to apply and learn the skill needed to become a good data scientist. The achievement that I gained throughout the internship is first to create and manage a machine learning project from beginning until to end, and able to help in proof of concept for upcoming project for the department. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.